Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. The table gives information about the average house price in England in 2018 and 2019. Work out the percentage increase in the average house price from 2018 to 2019, giving your answer correct to one decimal place. When finding the percentage increase, we simply subtract the old value from the new value, divide by the old value, and multiply by 100. The newest value, 2019, 231,776 minus 228,314 divided by 231,776 times 100. We can pull out the calculator to get our answer. 231,776 minus 228,314 divided by 231,776 times 100. This is 1.49%, which we give to one decimal place, so 1.5%. The average house price in 2019 was 7.7% greater than the average house price in 2017. Work out the house price in 2017. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. Now we can see here that 2019 was 7.7% greater than the average house price of 2017. So we can assume that this is 100% plus 7.7% because it increased by 7.7% and 27 was the original value, which is 100%. So the value for 2019 is 231,776, which we can then divide by 107.7, which we then multiply by 100 to get our original value for 2017, where we can pull out a calculator and get our final answer. 231,776 divided by 107.7 times 100. Our final value should be given in three significant figures, which is 215,000 pounds. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.